the Panama Canal.
Steve in the front is missing.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, good job.
Here comes the petting zoo.
For over 20 years, the Children's Zoo and Contact Yard has allowed guests to enjoy the engagement of close contact with small farm animals and is home to a large variety of mammals, including river otters, miniature horses, and the world's largest marsupial, the red kangaroo.
Look at the peacock. There's another one.
Across the pond, you will spot the Robert J. LaFortune Wildlife Trek Complex. Wildlife Trek is a 4-building complex that focuses on animals from around the world and their unique adaptations to life in the cold, desert, forest, and water. Speaking of forests, they are essential for life on Earth and provide habitat for a vast array of wildlife. Several species which utilize these complex and diverse ecosystems are featured